Hello, dear students. In today's lecture, we will study the types of natural selection. Natural selection we have already completed. Now we will study the types of natural selection. So here, three types of natural selections are studied. So natural selection is of three types, and they are the directional natural selection, stabilizing natural selection, and disruptive natural selection. So these are the three types of natural selection. So first, I will here summarize what is the natural selection. So nature select the species which are the favorable or which are the adaptive to their environment. So that species or that animals are selected by the nature, and those animals that does not having the adaptive power or adjustment to their environment, that animals will be finished. So natural selection. Here you can observe in some of the families, if there are 4 children, so all that 4 children are getting the similar type of food, similar type of the environment, similar type of the love of parents, even though anyone can be die. So this is the point of research. वातावरण सारखं आहे, सर्वांना सारखं आईवडिलांचं प्रेम मिळते, सर्वांना सारखं फूड मिळते, सर्वांना एन्व्हायरमेंट सारखंच आहे, असं असून सुद्धा 4 लेकरांपैकी 1 लेकराचं अंत झालं, एक मुलगा वारला. कशामुळे? त्याला आजार झाला. कशामुळे? हे संशोधनाचा विषय आहे. काही लेकरांमध्ये ऍडजस्टमेंट पॉवर नसते. कशी ऍडजस्टमेंट पॉवर नसते? घरामध्ये भाजी बनवली की त्याच्यापैकी एक मुलगा म्हणतो मला ही भाजी आवडत. प्लीज ऍडजस्ट विथ दॅट ऑल मेंबर्स. घरामधील जे सर्व मेंबर्स आहेत त्यांच्याबरोबर ऍडजस्ट करायचं. ही शक्ती ज्या ॲनिमल मध्ये असते. इथे आपण माणसाबद्दल गृहीत धरत आहोत, पण अभ्यासामध्ये आपण वी आर स्टडीइंग ऑल ॲनिमल्स, नॉट ओनली द ह्युमन बीइंग्स. So in the nature, the animals, those having the adaptive power means power of adjustment with their environment, that animals are successful and they can survive. Otherwise, animals are not having the adaptive power. Animals does not having the adjustment to their environment, that animals will be finished. Now in nature, how many types of this natural selection? So natural selection is of 3 types. They are the directional natural selection, stabilizing natural selection, and disruptive natural selection. Now here we will study one by one. First, the directional natural selection. So here a population is shift in a particular direction in a environment. So a shift of population, a population is shifted, or a shift of population in a direction, in a particular environment. So here directional is very important. Directional. So directional natural selection means here a shift of population in a particular direction in the environment, which is changing in a particular direction. So such type of natural selection is also called as the progressive natural selection. Remember, in the examination is in the form of MCQ objective type. So maybe asked here, The directional natural selection is also called as. आणि तिथे 4 पर्याय राहील त्यापैकी एक हा करेक्ट आहे. दुसरे काय बोलते? नॉर्मलायझिंग नॅचरल सिलेक्शन, डिस्ट्रक्टिव्ह नॅचरल सिलेक्शन, स्टेबलायझिंग नॅचरल सिलेक्शन, but progressive natural selection is the correct answer. So it is also called as the progressive natural selection, and it occurs. Directional natural selection occurs when the environment change in a particular direction. It occurs in the changing environment, but that changing environment is not random anywhere. It is a particular direction. एका पर्टिक्युलर दिशेला जर एन्व्हायरमेंटल चेंज होत असेल तर त्याला म्हणायचं डायरेक्शनल नॅचरल सिलेक्शन. हियर एक्झाम्पल दॅट इज द इंडस्ट्रियल मेलॅनिझम. Industrial mechanism we have already studied. That is the 2 different type of the moth. Due to the industrial revolution, there is the pollution, smoke, and due to that smoke, some of the butterflies which was once adjust with the tree trunk, now they as remain, but the other white one is changed. Melanin pigment, so black color is there. So that we have already studied. Now another type of the natural selection is the stabilizing. Remember stable pasun stabilizing natural selection or stabilizing type of natural selection. So here stable means the constant, fixed. So here the constant or stable environment. Remember here environment is constant. Environment is a fixed or it is a stable. Stabilizing type of natural selection is also called as the normalizing natural selection. Normalizing natural selection. Here environment is constant, not changing. Here example is the mortalities in the babies. Mortalities in the babies. Again here the Carnot and Penrose. This is the name of 2 scientists, and they states that they given the example. That example is the mortalities in babies. Mortality and natality. Mortality म्हणजे मृत्यू रेट, मरायचं रेट. So this scientist Carnot and Penrose state that the babies of the larger weight and the smaller weight in average पेक्षा जास्त वजन असणारे लेकरं आणि एव्हरेज पेक्षा कमी एव्हरेज वजनापेक्षा कमी वजन असणारे लेकरं. हियर द बेबीज ऑफ मोर वेटेड and babies who are the less weighted than the normal, so they become die. There is a death. The babies, those having the high weighted, and the babies, those having the very low weight. So in average weight, so that is survival. So this is the example, mortality in babies given by the Carnot and Penrose. Dear students, the third type of the natural selection is the disruptive type natural selection. So here also the natural selection supports 2 or more phenotypic modes. Here the natural selection supports the 2 or more phenotypic modes. Phenotypic means external character, visible characters, phenotypic characters. Now this disruptive type of natural selection is also called as the diversifying selection. Diverse पासून बनलेला शब्द diversifying natural selection. Now it happens in heterogeneous environment. Heterogeneous, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Homo means similar and hetero means different. So it happens due to the different environmental changes. And here there is the increase of genetic divergence. The best example of the disruptive type of natural selection is a Papilion dardanus, that is the African swallow tail butterfly. So here, this is the special type of the butterfly which is found in the only Africa, that having the swallow tail only in the male, not in the female. So that is the example of the distributive type of natural selection. So dear students, we are studying here the natural selection type. नॅचरल सिलेक्शन आपण आधीच अभ्यासलेलं आहे. आज आपण नॅचरल सिलेक्शनच्या टाइप्स अभ्यासत आहोत विथ सुटेबल एक्झाम्पल. सो हियर इन माय हँड दिस इज द सिलेबस. सो ॲज पर द सिलेबस दिस chapter is the chapter number 3, that is the progressive evolutionary changes. And after the types of natural selection, directional, stabilizing and disruptive type of natural selection, now only one point is remain, that is the artificial selection. Artificial means man-made selection. So that we will study in next period. So for today it is sufficient. So you remember here in today's period what we have studied, the types of natural selection. There are 3 types of natural selection. The three types of natural selection is directional natural selection, stabilizing natural selection and disruptive natural selection. So your examples are also we have studied. So dear students, in a daily at the time of the night I am arranging the lecture, because in the total day I am making the notes, because your syllabus is new syllabus. हा तुमचा अभ्यासक्रम न्यू असल्यामुळे दिवसभर मी याच्या नोट्स बनवतो. याच्या नोट्स मी बनवून टाईप सुद्धा करतो. तुम्हाला मी टाईपड नोट्स देणार आहे. तुम्ही झेरॉक्स करून घ्या किंवा तुम्ही तुमच्या हाताने लिहून घ्या. सो विथ फिगर ऑल्सो. तो वर्क फ्रॉम होम असल्यामुळे मला ह्या नोट्स बनवण्यासाठी वेळ मिळतो आणि मी त्या बनवतो आणि संध्याकाळच्या वेळेस पिरियड घेऊन तुम्हाला ते सर्व सांगून टाकतो. सो फॉर टुडे इट इज सफिशियंट. सेंड युअर प्रेझेंटी ॲज अर्ली ॲज पॉसिबल. लवकरात लवकर तुम्ही तुमची प्रेझेंटी पाठवून द्यायची. फार उशिरापर्यंत दुसऱ्या दिवशी तिसऱ्या दिवशी असं अटेंडन्स पाठवायचं नसतं. आता पिरियड घेतलं की जास्तीत जास्त 4-5 तासामध्ये तुम्ही पाठवून द्यायचं. सो इट इज सफिशियंट. थँक यू व्हेरी मच. धन्यवाद.